To begin, place the tail boot and the 900 micron tail boot onto the fiber in that order. Please note the orientation of the 900 micron tail boot, as it will be important later in the assembly process. Next, mark the jacket at 5 centimeters. Carefully strip away the tight buffer coating back to the added mark. Strip in small sections to avoid fiber damage until only bare fiber remains. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure the end of the tight buffer coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver, making sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the base of the connector until the fiber meets inside. You'll feel resistance once they meet. Press the pusher forward to lock the fiber and remove the pusher. We recommend not discarding the pusher as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Move the 900 micron tail boot up and slide it into the slot at the end of the connector. Move up the tail boot and screw it onto the threads on the base of the connector. The assembly is completed.